Hello everybody, I would like to show you in this video Sencor Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The type is SVC 0725BK. So this is everything what was inside the package. Now I would like to collect the vacuum cleaner. So first I would like to put the battery. So it is a lithium battery. This is a motor unit. Inside is a BLDC drive, which should save more energy and power. Now I will connect the smaller brush. There is a smaller brush, as you can see. So now, if you want to remove it, just press this button. Smaller brush have also the ultraviolet light, so I will switch it on. And you can see the light. So I will disconnect this one and connect the bigger brush. The bigger brush have also the possibility to connect the mop via magnet, very fast, very easy. So connect and disconnect, and now it's, let's say, ready to use. Shortly after you are finishing with vacuuming, you can open the container, press this button, turn a little bit, and this is inside should be the dust and trash. So second way how to open the container is to open it via the open the lower part, and inside should be dust. And on the other side there is a filter, so also sometimes open it and remove the dust. So if you want to connect other accessories, just press the button, disconnect the tube, and you can connect other accessories directly. So like this, there is, as you can see, more accessories available, different kind of brushes, or to connect the accessories you can use a flexible tube, or there is two types of flexible tubes. So, and one more thing is regarding the battery. To remove the battery, just press this button and remove it. And to charge the battery, here is the charger, and just plug this connector here inside. So that's all. So I think this is everything. Thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel and like my video. So thank you very much, and see you next time.